In this segment, I'll demonstrate an important concept when using Microsoft Word, that of find and replace. In Windows, it's typically referred to as search and replace, and in the version of Word for Windows, it is on the right-hand side as one of the icons from the Home tab. However, in the Mac version of Word, you need to click here on Edit and then go under Find and then select Replace. In my case, I want to search for the word tutorial and then replace it with the word course. This can help in identifying specific words throughout a document and replace them all at once. So we type here tutorial and we want to replace it with the word course. The ones that it has found are highlighted along with the references in each instance below in the results. Now, if we want to replace one at a time, we can click here on replace and replace again. And replace. Let's say that you didn't know where the find and replace option is, and as part of the menus or the ribbon, you can come here to the quick search on the top right and type the word replace, and then click here on replace, and it'll bring the same option that we had from before. Now, one other thing, as you are in replace here, in the replace options, notice that you can select different criteria, whether you want the whole word or to ignore the case where it sounds like, and also there is the option for advanced find and replace.